Welcome to the party.
We only have one rule here.
Please leave by 9.
So Ernst and I built a fort, and he was to watch a scary movie. So I agreed to watch because it didn't look that scary, and it was a terrible movie, but I was still like, I don't know, it's kind of scary, so we have to watch something happy. So I was like, I've heard good things about Love Island UK, and it's so good. And then
my gosh,
like 11, we realized that there's 50 plus episodes per season. There's so many.
How do they do that?
I think it's on like 2 or 3 times a week.
Oh my
god.
Like day. It's not like picking out the best. It's like this is them when they wake up to go to sleep, but like the best of the day. It's not like they're on it.
Like how we do it.
And they just have these crazy accents and they're just ridiculous and it's quality. Okay.
Where do you watch that on?
Hulu.
Another one to put on, Too Hot to Handle.
Don't tell. Yeah. Halfway through.
I think Netflix just gets me because what was the other one that they did with the love?
Blind?
Blind?
Yeah. Blind Love or whatever. At first I was like, Too Hot to Handle. This is like ridiculous. But like the narrator knows that it's ridiculous. So that's like really nice.
There's an article. Have you read the article on the narrator of Too Hot to Handle?
No.
Too Hot to Handle. They can't have sex.
They can't, but there's caveats. It's really great.
They get a bunch of people, so they got like a whole group of just gorgeous people, basically, and they like went through and were like, "What's like your dating scene like?" And they were all like, hit it and quit it. Like I just do one night stands all the time.
Pump and dump.
Like half of the first episode, and one guy was just like, I'm most proud of my penis, and like
yes, I know exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah.
And there's
yeah.
Who wins?
It's so who wins?
Yeah, how do you win?
Don't tell me.
I can't tell you.
Wait, what do you mean?
Like I still don't understand.
Not who wins the show. How do you win? Like what happens?
So the incentive is money. So you get money to start with, and then you get knocked off money. There's like a little so her name is Lana, and she's like an Amazon Alexa type thing, but she monitors every day. There's different things, but you ultimately start out with your 100,000, and then you get docked off if you have you can't do heavy petting.
Kissing?
No heavy petting. No kissing. No sex. There's
no sex of any kind. Kissing, $3,000.
Yes, drama, and there's reveals, and the characters, you just start to like really like get urged and stuff. But yeah, I'm halfway through right now, and it's kind of like you just like have to watch it.
But
if
the whole thing is about just like, it's weird because it's so weird. Like you're watching these people that are just like stereotypical like frat people, or just like people that we've like seen and are like, how do you live your life like this?
Some of them are so dumb.
Some of them are so dumb. One girl keeps calling herself dumb, and she's like, I'm ready for love. I'm like, you're only 20. Calm down. Like she's a mess, but she's also really fun. She reminds me of Claire a little bit.
That reminds me. While you guys are watching that, are you watching The Bachelor's Listen to Your Heart?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm watching it. So that one I'm watching with David, and I have to explain to him that Bachelor, he hasn't seen. So he hasn't seen Bachelor, like the actual season. So I'm like, this is like, I'm trying to explain to him. I mean, we enjoy watching because the singing is like, you know, it's fun. But he likes to watch it. But oh my gosh, they just plot so many. Are you watching it, Tot?
Yeah.
They just put like way too much drama in this, and it's just getting a little fake. And I'm urged, like, I'm like, it's not even like this song. Like, I miss Bachelor in Paradise, to be honest.
Me too.
Speaking of singers and The Bachelor, did you guys know that Chase Rice was on Survivor?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Chase Rice has been everywhere. Oh my goodness.
No wonder he met Victoria, another reality show. Like they must have met in like a chat room or something.
Yeah.
Like, they were like, oh,
like they went to. Yeah, they probably went to like a reality TV party, and that's how they met. I know it.
Yeah,
There's got to be something behind this.
singer, right? Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, Chase
Read that
Rodriguez is a
somewhere.
country.
Ridiculousness. Oh my gosh.
my God.
Wait, side note, has anyone seen Below Deck, what's it called?
Sailing or Mediterranean?
Mediterranean. Below Deck Mediterranean, is that what it's called? Okay, so this is a Natalie and her mom show, and she told me like watch it with your mom. So we started watching it, but now it's just on TV sometimes. I'll watch it, and like they have so much anger and like there's so much drama, but it's like they're in tiny little corners, and I'm like,
What is that?
so much.
Yeah.
It's about like it's a reality show about like a crew that plays like or that runs like a yacht that like guests like really rich people.
A lot of wealthy guests go
like,
on.
That crew and the interior, and they just like sometimes they sleep with each other. Like the chef's all sick and like
and there's a lot of drama.
And the people that come on the ship are ridiculous.
They're so, oh my gosh, crazy.
You would love it, Cheryl. You would love it. I don't know.
Yeah, Cheryl, you would really like it.
Honestly, after
Flirty dancing.
And I didn't have a job. I was crew yacht jobs. I was like, I could be a third stew.
Yeah,
there you go.
That show would probably be really good training for us for when we
True.
our yacht.
When Cheryl, flirty dancing. So I have to watch I need to watch the UK version too. And then I'm ready for like season 2. Like when is Jenna? Because like I know, obviously they can't film right now, but
no, it got canceled.
Yeah.
Especially since she the whole thing that it was like kind of resting on was that Jenna Dewan had that like experience with her husband, so she was like resting on it, and she was like, I know this works, and then her and Channing broke up and got divorced, so
it kind of ruined because they have a UK version too.
All the articles I found are people just like, this is proof that America knows how to suck the fun out of everything. Like everyone just hates the American version.
Did the UK one first?
It came first.
Yeah.
It has 2 seasons. It's still going. Theirs isn't a competition though. Theirs is just like 1 blind date, 1 dance, and it's just like how you feel or not. Ours is 2 blind dates. You learn 2 separate dances. You dance with them 2 separate times, and you choose which one you want to stay with, or like you want to have a second date with.
Yeah, we have to make everything.
No talking, only dancing.
Mm-hmm.
No talking.
It's really cute.
It's
like
trained dancers, or are they normal people?
No, but they have the
normal
best
people.
choreographers. They literally got all the best choreographers.
Yes, they did.
Wall, I was gonna cry. I don't think I could be on the show because of Travis Wall. I hope he's gay, because if I were ever on that show and he was like my choreographer, I'd fall for him like immediately.
That's what I was thinking too about like certain people. Like these people are lucky; they're like ordinary people, and they get to work with these like really cool choreographers. They have to take them into gear, like But no, it's really good. And then what's her name? Allison,
oh
the
God,
one that's
Travis
married
to most gorgeous dancer I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, he's beautiful.
He's like a dancing David Beckham.
Yeah, he does. Damn.
There it is. But that on the last episode, what's her name? Allison, that does the Disney princess or the Disney princess weddings or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
She's married to Twitch. I like her too, and I like when her and Twitch do their dances.
Was there, and I was like,
so cute, and they're so cute.
Like
they're so cute.
Wow, you can really dance. Wow, you can really dance. He went. They said we